Now I'm standing here again, and almost like young again, while nothing else seems to have changed. Is this where I want to be? Where everyone used to see our footprints so close in the snow. Remember a Christmas night, the last one I held you tight, just before you went away. And now that I feel so sure these memories could hurt no more, someone just told me you're here. Jingle bells jingle, decided to go there alone, sipping on wine, sitting next to the phone. Will I stay in pain? Do you feel the same? Every Christmas each year, did somebody tell you I'm here? The love that I found in this little town echoes from the past. Once I longed for that love to last. Every now and then your wonderful looks still appear in my mind. I hope you're doing fine. We're possibly not the same, but love left a burning flame. I finally found a way to break with yesterday. But now that I feel so sure these memories could hurt no more, someone just told me you're here. Somebody told me you're here. In my mind, I'm gone to Carolina. Can't you feel the sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? Ain't it just like a friend of mine to hit me from behind when I'm gone to Carolina in my mind? Karen, she's a silver sun, best walk her way to let her shine. Watch her watch the morning come, a silver tear appearing now. I'm crying, ain't I? Gone to Carolina in my mind. There ain't no doubt in no one's mind, love's the finest thing around. Whisper something soft and kind. Hey baby, the sky's on fire, I'm dying, ain't I? Gone to Carolina in my mind. In my mind, I'm gone to Carolina. Can't you feel the sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? Ain't it just like a friend of mine to hit me from behind when I'm gone to Carolina in my mind? Dark and silent late last night, think I might have heard the highway call. Geese in flight and dogs that bite, the signs that might be omens say I'm going, I'm going, I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. It's when the holy host of others standing round, still I'm on the dark side of the moon. And it looks like it goes on like this forever. You must forgive me if I am up and gone to Carolina in my mind. In my mind, I'm gone to Carolina. Can't you feel the sunshine? So can't you just feel the moonshine? Ain't it just like a friend of mine to hit me from behind when I'm gone to Carolina in my mind? Said I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. I'm already up and gone. I'm gone. Say nice things about me. I'm gone. You got to carry on without me. I'm gone. Said I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. I'm gone to Carolina. Yeah.